everyone. We've reached the big 2-0, episode 20 of our journey into marketing research. Before we kick off, if you're finding value in our content, be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Today, we're unraveling the magic of data visualization and the art of constructing compelling reports. How do we share our findings in a way that speaks to our audience? Let's explore together. Visuals, my friends, are powerful storytellers. When we talk about data visualization, we're turning complex data into easy-to-grasp visuals. Picture this. Instead of a chunk of text describing sales growth, you can see a soaring line chart. Makes things clearer, right? Always remember to pick the right kind of chart that tells your story best. And here's a little secret. Simplicity is your best friend. Strip away the noise. Let your key insight shine. And color? Well, use it wisely. It can be a spotlight or a distraction. And just as we wouldn't leave home without an introduction, never let your charts wander without labels. Now, on to constructing our masterpiece, the research report. Every story has a structure, right? Start with a catchy trailer, the executive summary. Then, set the stage with an introduction, guiding your audience into the world of your research. Your methodology is your behind the scenes, explaining how you brought the magic to life. Next up are the stars of your show, the results. Use visuals, words, and tables to bring out the drama. The discussion is where you sit with your audience, breaking down the story, its twists and turns, its strengths and flaws. Wrap it all up with a memorable ending, your conclusion. And for the fans who always stay for the post-credits, throw in an appendix. And a few golden nuggets to keep in mind. Always keep your audience at the heart of your story. Speak their language, keep it crisp, and weave everything into a gripping narrative. Last but not least, always proofread. Because no one likes a twist in the stories that's just a typo. And there you have it, the essence of effective data visualization and reporting. By embracing these pointers, you'll not only share findings, but also captivate your stakeholders. Next up, we're diving into the realm of ethics in marketing research, a crucial conversation. Stay with us for that, and if you enjoyed our time together today, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time, thank you for being with us.